this video, I will show you how to fix JD payment problem or payment decline in JD shopping app without any stress. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to activate JD wallet or JD payment in JD shopping app without any stress using your bank card. Let me show you how. Open up your JD app. So whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, you can easily set up JD Pay and easy payment for your goods and services from any store on JD Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So the very first thing you want to do right is to make sure you change your JD app from Chinese mainland to English version before you can do this JD Pay activation. So for that, go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. And the next thing you want to do right is to go ahead and click on this global icon. And the next thing you want to do is to switch to English right here. So once you switch to English, come down below right here, click on Save. And every interface is going to be drastically changed to English language. Now from English version right here, we can easily set up JD Pay for payment to any store in JD shopping app. So for that, go ahead and click on your account right here. Having clicked on account, the next thing you want to do is to proceed to my wallet. And it's going to take you right here. So at this point here, you have zero card. This is because you have not activated your JD wallet. How can you activate your JD wallet and start topping up your JD wallet and use it for shopping from any store? First thing first, go ahead and click on your balance right here. Tap on balance. And it's going to load up like so. Now for you to bind your card, you can see JD Pay. For you to bind your card, you want to make sure you click on here. So you can see bind bank card. Go ahead and enter your card number right here. So I've entered your bank card number. Go ahead and hit on confirm. And after a successful activation and binding your bank card, you can start using this account to top up and make payment with your JD Pay on JD app from any store. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using JD app, consider using JD shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.